Wake up with words. Understanding, late riser. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning journey. In today's video, we'll be exploring a phrase you might have heard in conversations or read in books, late riser. Whether you're an early bird or a night owl, understanding this term can be fun and useful in your daily English practice. So let's dive into what it means to be a late riser, and how you can use this phrase in your conversations. When we say someone is a late riser, we're referring to a person who wakes up later in the morning than the average person. It doesn't necessarily mean they are lazy, it's just their preference or habit. Some people naturally enjoy or need more sleep and choose to start their day later if their schedules allow. Let's put late riser into context with some examples. Don't expect to see Melissa at breakfast. She's a late riser and rarely comes down before noon. Weekends are when I turn into a late riser. I savor every extra minute of sleep after a busy week. Our hotel offers a brunch for all the late risers. It runs until 2 p.m. Understanding phrases in context like this helps you get a better grasp of their meaning and usage in everyday language. The phrase, late riser, carries a neutral connotation. It's simply descriptive and can be seen positively, negatively, or neutrally depending on the speaker's tone and context. For instance, if you're on vacation, being a late riser is usually a positive thing. However, if it causes someone to be late to appointments or miss out on activities, it might have a negative connotation. In some cultures, being a late riser is quite common, especially in countries with a late-night culture. For example, in Spain, where people often have dinner late, waking up later is more socially acceptable. On the other hand, in countries with an early rising culture, late risers might find themselves out of sync with societal norms. Thank you for watching. I hope this video has given you a clear understanding of what it means to be a late riser, and how this phrase fits into different contexts and cultures. Remember, whether you rise with the sun or greet the day at noon, there's a place for every type of riser in the English language. Keep practicing, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning videos. Happy learning and sweet dreams to all the late risers out there.